Do you want to hear about one of the most important figures of the Irish language in the past century? A man called Seán Ó from Teelan in southwest Donegal played a very important role. He was employed by the Folklore Commission, and he collected stories relating to culture, the Irish language, and he went around all the small roads of County Donegal and collecting stories. And he would be carrying a headaphone, which was a huge instrument, and it was a hard thing to do back then, and to go up to people and get them to speak into it. Some people even thought it was the devil that would be talking out of the instrument. And so he done great work when Seán Ó go brad in Gaelic. Agus til leor Cuermala Garage. This book has just been released about him. Sinead and Shin, he will have a Clian Shaw. That's Seán there. So this book has just been launched about him. It's called Cloch and Ach and Carnan. I'm looking forward to reading it. It's about his life and about all his experience collecting folklore. And his obituary said that no one else has collected as much folklore as he did. So that's some achievement. And so yeah, if you're interested in maybe in the man, that's a new book maybe to read. And he's some great material, and I do post some stuff about him as well, some maybe the language that he collected. So yeah.